Hey, what's up? We will install Ubuntu in VMware Workstation Player in this video. Before we get started, you need to ensure you have 2 GHz dual-core or better processor, more than 4 GB RAM, and VMware Workstation Player installed on your PC. If you haven't installed the VMware Workstation Player, you may watch this video to install it, and the link is given in the description. Alright, now we download the Ubuntu system image before we can install it. Select 22 April LTS version to get longer support. So now this is just a waiting game. Now we need to open our VMware Workstation Player. We select create a new virtual machine. Then select installer this image file and pick the file we downloaded in previous step. Then enter your name, username and password for the Ubuntu, but it just simply don't work on my PC, so you may need to re-enter this again when installation. Now you can pick your name and where to save your virtual machine. This size 20 GB is enough for Ubuntu, but I will go for 40 GB. Before booting the system, we can customize the hardware for it. So I will reduce the RAM to 2 GB as I am not going to run heavy program on it. You can still adjust it anytime after booting the OS. Now we are booting into the OS to perform the installation. So right here we select the keyboard layout you are going to use. You can pick either normal installation or minimal installation. I will pick minimal installation to get better performance. Click install now. Some partition will be formatted, but don't worry, this is partition in virtual machine, so it won't affect your actual OS. Alright, you need to enter your login information again. Then it is a waiting game again. It takes few minutes to install. Then restart now. Enter the password you registered just now. I just skip this. You can add your account if you want. I will turn off all privacy options so they don't track me. Welcome to Linux. Have fun. Press the thumbs up button if you like this video. Thank you.